Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh sir.
Yeah.
My question is, what is the status of Imam of the Forbidden Mosque?
Okay. This Imam. You see, I read ayahs, I will read and again these ayahs through Al-Imran 3, 96, 97. Inna wala baytum wudiya lin-nas lalladhi bi Bakkata mubarakam wa hudal lil alamin. The first house place for the people is that with Becca, blessings and guidance for the worlds. Fihi ayatum bayyinatum maqam Ibrahim. ومن دخله كان آمنا ولله على الناس حج البيت من استطاع إليه سبيلا ومن كفر فإن الله غني عن العالمين. In it are clear ayahs, signs the standing position of Ibrahim. Whosoever enters it becomes secure. And for Allah is Hajj pilgrimage of those over the people. Whosoever has the capability towards its way and whosoever rejects, then surely Allah is not needful about the worlds. You see, I read these ayahs right now. And this ayat is referring that the place of guidance and barakat is in the house of Allah. That is the status of the house. And in it are the maqam Ibrahim, the standing position of Ibrahim. Now that standing position is, what is the standing position of Ibrahim? That he was the imam in the house of Allah. That he was tried by Allah and Allah gave him the imam, the leadership. So that maqam of Ibrahim is the place where imam stands to pray. That imam of at this time. So you see, when he is standing there, he is standing on the place of Ibrahim alayhis salam. That is his maqam. So he is reciting what? Ayats. And all the ayats that he recited, you bow down to that and prostrate to that, and then he doesn't sit there and talk to you what you should believe. What you should believe or what not should you believe. All the mankind from the world are visiting there just to follow the practices of the salah. And in the salah, the ayahs are recited to mankind, and these ayahs are the governing ayahs and the mutashabih or the events, whatever. The message is taken by you, you follow, practice, that's your job. But he is not sitting there afterwards and giving you sermons. So his job is just to establish the salah and nothing else. So his leadership is there just to recite. Any person who stands in front of a mosque in imam and recite the ayahs, he doesn't give his opinions about what is right, what is wrong, and what. If he does, then the book should be consulted. So if he does something and tell you, okay, this is the way and this is the way, so you have know that this is the imam, the leader, the book. So you will judge him by this imam, the leader. So I have not heard, because I went 2-3 times, he never sits there and discuss anything about religion. So he's just practicing this and he leaves away. So in that context, what his personal belief, I don't want to know, and I don't want to know. And I just follow the ayahs which he recites.
Just follow the prayers.
The format of the prayers. We follow that, and we practice that all over the world. Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other person?
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, please.
My question is, what is the status of Imam who leads the prayer in mosques of the world?
You see, whenever he is standing in any mosque of the world, because all the mosques of the world are Shatr al-Masjid al-Haram, the portion of the sacred mosque. Every mosque of the world I am talking about. Even in the house also, if you are facing the Kaaba, you are a part of the sacred mosque. The Shatr al-Masjid al-Haram, the portion of the intestine, half of the sacred mosque, that is the prayer. The other half is for Umrah Hajj. When you go there, you have to complete there. So any mosque you go, what the Imam is reciting, you join the Imam. So that Imam is reciting Allah's ayats. Every Imam of the world of the mosque. Now you must understand that ayat I am following. In that capacity, you have to bow down and prostrate with him, because you are following the Quranic ayahs. But after that, he is inviting you and educating you about what his school of thought is. So then you must say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and leave the mosque. Then you go to another mosque. Then you join the prayer. Once he's reciting there, you have to follow, because that is Allah's ayat. I have to bow down and prostrate myself. And the moment he says Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, come here Muhammad Sheikh, I want to teach you about the school of thought. This one. I said, thank you, Assalamu alaikum. So remember, any belief of any imam of a mosque, if you follow that, then you're not following the imam of Allah. That is the Quranic ayahs. The book, basic book of imam is reading in the prayer. So I am joining the prayer because this imam I have to follow. So I stand, bow, prostrate because this imam is reading. Now if he doesn't believe, that's his business. So I will join every mosque of the world which are facing the Kaaba. Whenever I'm here or outside in the Pakistan or any part of the world, any mosque I pass by and the time comes, and if I want to join the mosque, I will join the mosque just for the prayer. Because in the prayer, he is representing Maqam Ibrahim Musalla, and that he is reciting the Allah's ayahs. So I have to join. But you know today, this is the basic imam. The most powerful imam is this book. Afterwards, the prophets and all these guys, they are later. But you close this book, do not know nothing, you're just going to the, as he said, blindly to an imam, he's saying anything, and you say, I'll go and talk to my imam. Then your blind will be on the day of judgment. Allah say, Iqra kitabak, read your book, kafa bi nafsika alayka yawma hasiba. You are in trouble. So, and who is blind in this world, he will be blind there. So we don't have to be blind.